All right, let's look at something exciting for a change. So you're doing blog posts, and what's the first thing you do as a hacker? Well, you decide that writing a blog post isn't good enough, so you build a Markdown tool so that you can edit your Markdown files. And so here we have a Markdown editor that I put together recently. Very simple. This is with Tauri and a front end of JavaScript. So we got very simple content. It loads up a directory. It's looking for Markdown files. It only loads them. You can go through all of your content to select your files, or you can just hit the years view if you order your folders by years, and you can see all of the content as it's been parsed by years, and even some that haven't been parsed by years. We're going to keep it looking like this. So here is a post I've actually been working on here. It's a rewrite of something that I'm working on in my PhD class. I can expand up here. It shows me all of my front matter. So I have my title, my description, my date. I can even click it for saying use today. I can click to say whether it's a draft or not, and I can add some additional fields if I wanted to add some additional fields into the front matter, which works well with adding stuff for sending emails. We see we have our rich content editor right here, and then we have our text, and it works just like any Markdown editor, but it's rendering it as you're typing it, so you don't have to worry about writing the actual Markdown itself. If you wanted to go into raw mode, you certainly could. Go back into prose mode. Control S works for saving. You can right click, new file, new folder, rename, cut, delete, anything you need to do there. And we do have themes, so this is kind of the X51 Labs terminal theme, but you can change it to some of the other themes that we've kind of imported into this, which is Mauve Dream is one of them, Sulfur is one of them, and then this is just a regular standard desktop theme. Both dark and light mode are available. We kind of stick to the terminal CRT theme, and this was very simple to put together, and it's kind of part of the terrible phrasing but idea of eating your own dog food. So we built a Markdown editor, and we're using that Markdown editor to edit our Markdown. And we'll be adding more to this as we go. We're going to keep it pretty sleek, pretty simple, and then we'll release it on the website, x51labs.com. You'll be able to grab a copy, do what you want with it, send us some hate mail, send us some other feedback. So just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of this because honestly, it's pretty awesome, and I think it looks awesome too.